What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is all about this super cute chunky twist out that I received using all natural ass products. So let's get right into it. So first I went ahead and used the 3-in-1 shampoo, which acts as a co-wash. However, it cleanses, softens, and conditions the hair without stripping. And this shampoo is non-foaming. So that is one thing you'll see, that my hair did not foam up at all when I was shampooing it. So it acts as a co-wash as well, and it conditions the hair. And this is what my hair is looking like as soon as I rinse that out. So very, very moisturized. So I definitely was loving how quick it was. So then I went right into styling. So for styling, first I'm going to go ahead and use the hydrating mist and detangler. So I sprayed this on my hair after shaking it up, and honestly I wasn't too big of a fan of this product. However, I most definitely did learn how to use it later on in the video, which I will show. And these products were created by a black woman with type 4B/C hair, and who has managed her natural hair all her life. So she used science to create these products. So most definitely they were created and formulated for thick hair. So I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into two sections, and I'm going to go ahead and show you all how I moisturize my strands with these products. These products are also 100% vegan and aloe vera based, so that is very, very good to know for all of us who want natural products. So after I went ahead and applied the curl cream, which was amazing in defining my hair. Like literally as soon as I applied that, my hair was so moisturized, so soft, so defined. I was loving the curl cream, which fits me because I love creams. So then I went ahead and detangled my hair with the brush, the Denman brush that I went ahead and used. And for this tutorial, I decided to go ahead and use some chunky twists because I did not want to feel like doing my hair all day. I wanted something very, very quick. And since I was already using this extremely convenient shampoo/conditioner, I wanted to go ahead and also make my entire wash day short. So I did that by applying chunky twists. And the good thing about this curling cream is that it is created to provide lasting moisture into the hair. So I most definitely love that product because of that. And you all can see just how moisturized my curls were when I applied that cream. So I was absolutely loving this cream for sure. After I saw that the leave-in that I was using was not providing my hair with much moisture, I decided to go ahead and read the directions. And the directions said to apply the mist, wait a little bit, and then apply the moisturizer on top, and then your hair will be soft. And guys, once I followed those steps, my hair was so soft. So I'm so happy I read the directions on that. So I've completely finished twisting my hair, thankfully. And make sure you do a twist right down the middle because that gets rid of that odd part. So here I am the next day with these dry, chunky twists. I did about 9 on my head altogether, so not a lot at all. And as you all can see, my hair was so defined and shiny. Like this cream and the leave-in and the oil provided my hair with so much definition. I did also apply some oil to my hands before separating, but you all can see just how defined these chunky twists are, and I was in awe. Most definitely loving it. Also guys, these products have such good ingredients like palm oil, JBCO, argan oil, and lavender oil. And the directions say like once you use all these products together, it creates like a soft and bouncy and defined look with a lot of volume. And I most definitely got that from this twist out. My hair has so much volume, so chunky, so bouncy. I just loved how this chunky twist out gave me bigger hair, which I was really, really wanting. So you all will see that later on in the video, but you all can see just how defined my curls were by applying these chunky twists. And I was also able to retain all that moisture. So now I'm going to go ahead and just split my hair and just separating it where it naturally wants to separate, not doing it too much, but just the right amount. And you all can see just how easily my hair was separating. So I was so happy for that. And yeah, these products work really, really well on my hair altogether, guys. And lastly, these products are sulfate, paraben, dyeing alcohols, petroleum, mineral oils, silicones, all that free. So it most definitely does not have any of the bad ingredients that we try to stay away from for sure. So next I'm going to go ahead and take my pick and start to pick out my hair. I like to pick out underneath the first layer just to get some volume underneath my hair and allow my top of my hair to still be defined like I like it. So I do like to get more volume underneath, especially for a more fuller look. So after picking out my hair, these are my results, and I have a lot of volume, which I love, and I still have some definition as well. So this chunky twist out was just what I wanted, not too much definition, but just the right amount. Very soft, very fluffy. So go ahead and use my coupon code, guys, to give you guys some money off. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe. See you later.